Okay, this is what I like to make after a good workout. It's my acai smoothie. It's got banana, almond milk, and spinach and ice. So I highly recommend getting one of these blenders. Some people get the Ninja. My parents owned one of these for a long time, over 10 years. They still have it, and now we purchased one. It just obliterates everything, and the consistency is like they use this at Starbucks and Jamba Juice and Coffee Bean. Maybe not Starbucks, but I know Coffee Bean and Jamba Juice use Blendtec, and Nectar, they use Blendtec as well. So it's like $200. Anyways, so first off, make sure your acai. We got these little frozen packets from Trader Joe's. It's got the acai. I can't pronounce it. It's acai. There you go. Organic acai puree. And I thaw it out for a little bit in water. Let me set this camera down. I have to cut open this real quick. Try to make this fast. Pour the acai into the blender. Get all the little leftovers out. Then I take my banana. Okay. Peel the banana. Fold it, stuff it in there like that. Then got washed, clean spinach. Toss a little bit in there like that. And ice. Ice. I like to put a lot of ice because I want to have that smoothie. You know, you don't want it to be like juice, but like a smoothie. You know, shake up the milk. This is organic almond milk. Sorry. Unsweetened. Oh, crap. Okay. Oh, no. All right. I'm having a hard time. Here we go. Keep it quick. Filling this up. So this is usually good for one person. Turn this on. It's on. Okay. And blend. Like it's done, and gotta get a cup. People are like dropping off views right now. I can't sit through this. All right. Okay, and I don't need a lid. I like to use the Starbucks cup that you can reuse. The reusable straw, because you know, polar bears. Alright, here we go. Pour. Voila. So, it's really good. Drink. Yeah, this is perfect. So try it out. Enjoy. Oh, yeah. And do all the liking and sharing for good recipes.